How to appear offline on Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I'm going to guide you step by step on how you can appear offline on Instagram. The first step is to open the Instagram app on your device. If you don't have this app, you can download it from Play Store or App Store. Once you open it, log into your account. Now, in order to appear offline, first tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. From here, tap on the three lines at the top right corner. That's going to bring you to settings and activity. Here you have different sections. Scroll down until you get to the section of how others can interact with you. Now tap on the option of messages and story replies. Here you have different options. In the section who can see that you're online, you have the option of show activity status. Tap on this option. When this option is toggled on, it allows accounts you follow and anyone you message to see when you were last active or are currently active on Instagram app. When you turn this off, you won't be able to see the activity status of other accounts as well. If you want that, simply toggle this button off. Now, you will appear offline to others on Instagram. However, one thing you have to remember is you won't be able to see the activity status of other accounts as well. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions or confusions, do let us know on the comment section. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.